Yeah, students. My question is, what do you mean by rational numbers? Have you heard about rational numbers ever? Who can tell me what do you mean by rational numbers? कभी कभी सुना है rational numbers? Yes. There is one hand up. Only one hand is up. Come on, let me see which school has taught what. Yeah, Akshat,
Yes, sir.
what's your idea about rational numbers?
It's like a quotient or a fraction of two integers.
It's a fraction, you said, correct?
Yeah.
Fraction of the two integers.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, no problem. Let us listen to others also. Yana,
Sir, it is terminating and it may be also repeating.
terminating, or it may be also repeating, recurring. Okay, okay. Aryan,
Rational numbers are those numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0.
okay, that's nice to know. Manya,
Sir, I said the same thing on the chat that any number which is in the form of p raised to q where q is not equal.
okay. You said p raised to q? Is it p raised to q, children? Can I say it's p by q?
P upon Q.
Yeah, p upon q. Okay, okay. So, children, I got different answers, and yes, I agree with all of them. अगर मुझे रैशनल नंबर्स को समझना है तो ये सारे आंसर्स को मिक्स कर देना है. रैशनल नंबर्स आर दोज नंबर्स व्हिच कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. कोई भी एक फ्रैक्शन बोलो. एनीबॉडी हु कैन टेल मी अ फ्रैक्शन? हर्षित, सॉरी, कविता, राजवी, any one fraction? Anybody else?
3 by
3 by 4. Okay. 3 by 4 is a fraction where 3 is also an integer, 4 is also an integer, and as a result it becomes a rational number. Manya, if you can switch off your mic. Yeah. Just a minute. Harshita miss. Hello, Harshita miss.
Yes, sir.
Can you make me the host, please? कोई है वहाँ पर?
Yeah, 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.
Some problem here. Student, just hold on, okay? Just hold on. Yeah, hello everybody. We were talking about rational numbers. I hope everybody can see the screen now and the things that I'm writing. Rational numbers are nothing but fractions or else decimal points, decimal numbers. But decimal numbers may, we have two things that we have to take care of. That is, they need to be either terminating or they need to be repeating, or if you must have heard, recurring. These all numbers are called as rational numbers. किसी ने मुझे example भी दिया था 3/5. Can I say 3/5 is a fraction? Yes. So it's a rational number. अब इसको divide करके देखिए, decimal number में convert करके देखिए. You'll be getting 0.6. And as a result, this can be also written as 0.6. It can be also written as terminating decimal form. Recurring अगर आप लोगों को पता है तो suppose I have 5.73 bar. पता है ऐसे numbers जहाँ पे 73, 73, 73, 73 repeat होते रहता है. Those are also called as rational numbers. Now coming to irrational numbers. Is there anybody here who knows the meaning of irrational number? Raise a hand. Raise the hand, children. Irrational number किसी को भी पता है, कभी सुना है अपने स्कूल लेवल पे? Irrational number. Nobody, not a single child. Very good. Yeah, I'm getting some hands up. Yana and Nirmala and Akshat. Yes, yes. अगर नहीं पता तो मुझे एग्जाम्पल दोगे तो भी चलेगा. Raise a hand.
√3.
हाँ हाँ, हाथ ऊपर कर, हाथ ऊपर करके. I'm getting so many messages also. That's nice. Yes, this is what I call the actual learning where you are interactive. Yana, your time.
Sir, it is non-terminating.
Non-terminating. Okay, Yana says non-terminating. No problem. Let me ask to others. Nirmala.
Sir, that cannot be expressed a fraction number.
Yeah, cannot be expressed as fraction. Okay. It's not a fraction. No problem. Let's move ahead. Kavita. Akshita.
An irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed as a fraction for any integers.
Okay. This was Kavita, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And cannot be expressed as a fraction. That's so nice. That's so correct. Akshita.
Sir, √3, √5, the numbers
yeah,
under root that are not a perfect square.
That are not a perfect square. Roots of not a perfect square. Yes, yes, yes. From the chats that I have got, messages that I have got, those are irrational numbers, are non-terminating and imperfect squares. Yes, example, I don't mind the example also. √5, Manya, that's correct. Archie, yes. √11 cannot be expressed. Pi, yes, yes. Pi, √11 cannot be expressed as fraction. That's great. Non-terminating. पाई के बारे में बाद में कभी डिस्कस करेंगे. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. ओके, फिलहाल उसको अलग से रखते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट √3, √5, √11. इम्परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स, स्क्वायर रूट्स. कभी आपने याद है 8th स्टैंडर्ड 9th स्टैंडर्ड में इस तरह से स्क्वायर रूट्स फाइंड किए थे? डू यू रिमेम्बर? यू डोंट हैव टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट. डरो मत, मैं स्क्वायर रूट नहीं बताने पूछने वाला. लेकिन अगर आपको ऐसे सम्स याद है तो इनके डेसिमल्स कभी भी n नहीं होते थे. दिस डिवीजन कंटिन्यूज. यू स्टॉप आफ्टर पर्टिकुलर टाइम. √5 का एक्चुअल वैल्यू नहीं है. आप जब ऐसे डिवीजन से फाइंड करेंगे तो दिस डिवीजन कंटिन्यूज, इट्स नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, रिकर भी नहीं होता, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिकरिंग. You cannot write it as a fraction. They are irrational numbers. My question comes, that is root, मैं कुछ examples दे रहा हूँ. Root 25 is rational or irrational? मुझे जल्दी से chat box में भेजना. याना, if you can put your hand down. Now जल्दी से chat box में मुझे आंसर भेजना. Is it rational? खाली R लिखो या IR लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. Yes, I've started getting the messages. That's great. Rational है या irrational है? Root 25. Everybody write in the chat box. Yes, yes, yes. Messages have started coming. That's great. And nice to know कि अभी तक तो सब right है. Akshay, don't write on anything on the screen. Yes, I've started getting. That is other students, those who are not messaging, should I think that you all don't know root 25? Yes, rational या irrational? जल्दी से chat box में लिखो. Send it to me. Okay, okay. Even if you are wrong, it's okay. But the important thing is how much participation you all are giving. Yes, yes, yes. Great. So many messages. There are hardly few who are not messaging. And I've got different types of answers. Yes, कुछ लोगों ने rational बोला है, कुछ लोगों ने irrational बोला है. Let me tell you. Root 25 is a perfect square. Square root उसका है 5. It can be written as fraction. It can be written as terminating number. 5.0. It can be also written as recurring number. 0 bar. Terminating है, recurring है, fraction है. Of course, the correct answer is it is a rational number. मैंने root 5 नहीं पूछा था. क्या पूछा था children? Root 25. So all those who have sent me rational number, they are correct. But all those who have told irrational, I hope they understood why it is rational. किसी को कुछ doubt है तो पूछ सकते हैं. Is there anybody who have a doubt? Nobody? Let me ask you one more question. What is square root of, simple वाला पूछा हूँ, rational irrational को side में रखते हैं. What is the square root of let me give you bit bigger number. Square root of 256. What is the square root of 256? You all have to send me in the chat box
16.
fast. Chat box fast. Square root of 256. Yes, I'm getting the answers. Yes, yes, yes. Nice to know. फटाफट answers आ रहे हैं. You all know this. Everybody take part. You will feel inclusive if you really want to understand. We are reaching to a very important point here. Slowly, steadily, I'm taking you to somewhere which is important for FYJC maths. Yes. Great, great. Okay. The answer of this is 16. 16 into 16 करेंगे तो 256 आएगा. And you know what, till now जितने ने भी message किया था, they all were correct. That's great. Now my question is square root of minus 49. Square root of minus 49. Okay, messages are coming in. Yes, yes, yes. Great to know. Great to know. Yes. Yes, there are many who are taking part. They are right, they are wrong. Of course, I don't mind that. Important is your name is flashing on my screen. So nice to know. Yes. Students. Waiting for your message. Confusion. ये minus कहाँ से आ गया sir? Yes. Yes. There is no real numbers. There are no real roots. याद है ये वर्ड्स कहीं पे आपने 10th स्टैंडर्ड में देखा होगा? कोई माइक ऑन करके बता सकता है कहाँ ऐसे वर्ड्स आए थे 10th में? नो रियल रूट्स, नो रियल स्क्वायर रूट्स.
Imaginary number.
10th स्टैंडर्ड में कहाँ पर, कौन से चैप्टर में?
Quadratic equation.
Very good, that's great. Quadratic equation में याद है हम लोग डिस्क्रिमिनेंट करते हैं b square minus 4ac
हाँ.
less than 0 मतलब नेगेटिव. तो हम लोग आगे सॉल्व ही नहीं करते थे, हम लोग लिख देते थे इट हैज नो रियल रूट. क्योंकि अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो आई कैन नॉट राइट इट एज -7. व्हाट इज आंसर ऑफ -7 into -7 चिल्ड्रन? आप माइक ऑन करके बोल सकते हो. 49. But I want of -49. I cannot write -7 into 7. Can I say -7 into 7? Not at all. This is not a square. Square means multiplication of the same two numbers. They are not same two numbers. As a result, children, at school level, in the world of school, you didn't study such type of roots. हम लोग no real roots करके छोड़ देते. FIJC, as I told you, is the entry in a new world of maths. This is one of that part. Such type of roots, no real roots, are called as imaginary roots. And a real opposite, imaginary. So it's a imaginary root. Clear to that, everybody? Imaginary root. अब इसका आंसर चेक करेंगे. Let's come to that. Listen here, children. Minus of 49, root of -49. Can I write it as root of 49 into -1? हम लोग आंसर फाइंड कर रहे हैं इसका. Can I write root of 49 into -1? Which can be further written as root 49 into root of -1. मैंने रूट को सेपरेट कर दिया, 49 को अलग, -1 को अलग. 40. What is root 49 का आंसर चिल्ड्रन? What is root 49? 7. Now we come to the very first imaginary number, that is root of -1. Since it is the first imaginary number, it has given a symbol of I. I is written for the very first basic imaginary number, children. Root of -1 can be written as I. Okay. What is root of -2, root of -3? ये सब डिटेल में जाएंगे, लेकिन पहले root of -1 के लिए क्या है symbol? I. What does this I means? I means imaginary number and it is called as iota. क्या बोला जाता है? Iota. But हम लोग ये word जल्दी से बोलते नहीं है. We generally tell my answer as, write my answer as 7i. where I represents iota, that is nothing but root of -1. I'll give you one more example. Listen, children. Suppose I have root of -100. How can I write this? I can write this as root of 100 into root of -1. मैं -1 को अलग ले सकता हूँ. Root of 100 is 10. And what is root of -1? Written as iota I. So what's the answer now you will be telling me? If I ask you ever or somebody asks you what is root of negative number, then it is 10i, which is not started in school level, children. I'm again repeating, this is a different thing. अपने स्कूल लेवल तक 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक ऐसे नंबर्स देखे भी नहीं थे, अब देखेंगे. That is I, 10i. Understanding? I'll give you one number. Just message me what's the answer of it. Okay. The number is -4. Message me fast. What is the answer? Jaldi se. Yes, that's great. Fatafat. Yes. Tak, 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 tak. That's great. Okay, okay. It's nice to see that you all are taking part. Yes. School level pe nahi tha, children. It's interesting if you're understanding. If you're not understanding, raise a hand. You can ask me. Yes, of course. Kuch doubt hai to pooch sakte ho aap. But you need to take part. Just sitting there, listening there is not going to serve any purpose, children. You need to be vocal. I've got many answers. And sad to say that there are few who are wrong also. Great, but then it's okay. Let us see what's the answer. Children, root of -4 can be written as 4 and -1 को अलग root दे देंगे. What is square root of 4? 2. And what is root of -1 represented as? I. 2i is the answer. 98% of y'all जिन्होंने मैसेज किया था, they were right. 2%. कुछ बच्चों ने 1i भेजा है, which is of course wrong. किसी ने 4i भेजा है, which is also wrong. Is it clear to everybody why it is 2i? Those who got it wrong? Okay. Let's move ahead. One more. Root of -16. अब देखते क्या आंसर आता है. जल्दी से children. Yes. Oh, yes. Great. Answers are coming. Root of -16. मुझे आंसर भेजना है. भावना मैडम, what's the answer of root of -16? Oh, Yana is trying to do all the steps. That's great. Yes, so nice to know that only 1% student have given wrong answer. क्योंकि वो भी simple है. वो silly mistake जो बोलते हैं ना वो. What is square root of 16, children? What is square root of 16? 4. Exactly.
4.
एक बच्चे ने गलती से 8 ले लिया है. Square root of 16 as 8. वो गलत हो. Otherwise, it is so simple. 4i. The answer is 4i. 4 iota. Okay. एक लास्ट चलो सब लोग ट्राई करना to give me the correct answer. Minus root of minus 81. Everybody try it out. Yes, yes. Great. Yes, yes. Everybody. Students take part. That will help you to remember the things also. Don't keep it with yourself. Share it. Yes, yes. You'll remember this forever if you are writing and sending. Correct. The correct answer of this root 81 एक स्टेप अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा भी करते हो तो बाय द वे ये सब ओरली हो जाता है. The correct answer, and you know what, 100% of you all have got it right, those who have shared. 9i. Everybody has sent me 9i, and that is so nice to know. Great, great. Now listen what I am saying. ध्यान से सुनो. Every number okay can be written. They are real numbers. They are real numbers. Like for example 5. There are imaginary numbers like 5i. Real number and imaginary number. Okay. कुछ numbers real numbers होते हैं. कुछ numbers imaginary numbers होते हैं. Okay. रियल नंबर्स कोई भी आप नंबर ले लो अभी तक जो आप पढ़ रहे थे, दैट वाज रैशनल इरैशनल, कुछ भी ले लो. सपोज 5. इमेजिनरी नंबर जो अभी अभी हमने सॉल्व किया 9i. Remember children, if I write both of this together, that is 5 plus 9i. कोई भी एक रियल पार्ट और एक इमेजिनरी पार्ट. I can call this as complex numbers. Can you switch on the mic and tell me what are these complex numbers? It is a combination of which two numbers, children? It is a combination of real and imaginary number. The combination of real and imaginary number are called as complex numbers. Complex numbers, yes, yes. Complex numbers are denoted by generally Z. जैसे natural numbers are denoted by N, है ना? Whole numbers by W. This is denoted by small letter Z, capital Z नहीं, small letter Z. Okay, and it is made up of two parts. Which two parts? A plus BI, where A is a real part, okay, and BI is an which part, children?
Imaginary.
Imaginary part. Very good. As a result, children, if I say that 2 plus 3i or minus 2 upon 5, 3 upon 7. Switch on your mic and tell me which is an imaginary part. What is an imaginary part here? सबसे पहले तो is it a complex number? Because there is a real part, there is an imaginary part. Who can tell me what is an imaginary part?
3i upon 7.
3i upon 7.
Very good, very good. Riyank, please stop that. And which is the real part?
Minus 2 upon 5.
Minus 2 upon 5.
Very good, very good. Suppose I have 3 plus 9 upon 4, for example. Who can tell me what is a real part and what is an imaginary part? Just a minute. I have just made it. Yeah. Real part and imaginary part. Real part.
4 upon real
Real part is 3 upon 4. Real part is 3 upon 4. Imaginary part is 9i upon 4.
Very good. Excellent. That's great to know. Real part is 3 by 4. Imaginary part is 9i by 4. I hope others are understanding. Those who have any doubt, please raise the hand. Great, great, great. So children, what I can say is, you all know now what are complex numbers. Complex numbers are the numbers which is made up of real part and imaginary part. Real part can be 0 also. 0 plus 5. Even that is complex numbers. Remember that. 0 is a real number. 5 is an imaginary number. So complex numbers are real as well as imaginary part. What are imaginary numbers? The one in which iota is present. This is very important chapter in your FYJC. It's a world of complex numbers. Basics say step by step padhoge. It's very easy, very interesting, and you will learn many new things. Now, children, I just want one thing from you. We have many such things coming up in the coming days. So can you please send your phone numbers in the chat box, everybody, so that we can just inform you that what are the upcoming different things that can be beneficial to you as far as studies is concerned, nothing more. So if you can send the messages, your phone numbers. Send the messages fast, your phone numbers. Before I conclude the things, I want you all to message your phone numbers as fast as possible. It was, by the way, great explaining you all. I hope you all understood whatsoever jitna bhi thoda sa aaj pada hai. I hope that will be important for you, and you must have understood the importance of maths also. 11th standard, please take a wise decision of taking maths and joining this group of wisdom. We have many upcoming events, many demo lectures, and many things. It will be beneficial for you. Okay, any query from your side? Anybody wants to know anything, children? Okay, then till then, before by the time we meet, goodbye, take care, keep studying, keep smiling. Bye everybody.